Strathmore University alumni, in collaboration with international volunteers from Another Kind of Future, visited Mwamgunga School in Kwale County, where they converted a classroom into a laboratory and mentored pupils, creating new opportunities for practical learning and personal growth.
So we've been in Kwale for the past week. So from Monday we've been building the lab, the school lab, and a holster for the tank. We've installed the sinks, painted, we've mixed cement, to build the labs for the new system, the CBE system, for the integrated science students, because it's chemistry and physics, and they're going to need the labs for the classes, for exams eventually as well.
So what we focused on was raising the funds to be able to work with a contractor to build tables for the lab, with the lab sinks in one of the existing classrooms. And the contractor had part of his team working with us during this whole week. Also, prior to our arrival, some other group was working there for 1 week, and they set up the base structure, and we finished up the tiling and the sinks, and also the foundation for the water tank in the outside.
During this CBE, most of the lessons, especially the science lessons, are practical. So as a result, it has been a challenge to us because we had to even move to the neighboring schools for practicals. Because now we have the lab at school, this one will be like an eye-opener for the learners who have a passion in science. They are going to do the practicals, and that one will even make them advance to senior schools, whereby they are going to join the STEM pathway.
The lab, it will help us to observe and conduct experiments. Secondly, it helps us to come with new ideas. And lastly, it makes the apparatus to be in safe place.
It is going to help us do experiments well, and it also helps us in exam because some things we learn without doing it practical. If we have the lab, we are using it to do experiments, and those experiments comes to exams, and because we have did it practically, we remember it easily.
I'm very happy to do something as a project, as a chemistry lab, where they have their own things and they have their own place to work and to experiment and to see whatever you can learn from chemistry and biology. So I hope they will have fun with it. I hope that they can learn with it, and I hope it gives them a space to develop themselves and to explore also themselves what they like to do.
I think they will enjoy it, and maybe also that they see us working on it. It's something that will stay in their head.